Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, instead of cooking, now we're gonna make cocktail. I'm gonna make 3 decadent cocktail to lift up your holiday seasons, or maybe if you have guests coming over for Christmas party. So now let's get into it. The first one that I'm gonna make, it's called Toblerone cocktail. For ingredients, you will need the hazelnut liquor, Irish cream, coffee liquor, honey syrup, cream, and chocolate syrup. So now let's get into it. The first ingredients, you will need 1 ounce of honey syrup, 2 ounces of cream, 1 ounce of hazelnut liquor. In this case, I'm using Frangelico. 1 ounce of Irish cream, using Baileys over here. For the last one, I'm using coffee liquor. In this case, I'm using Barista coffee liquor. This is made locally, which is in Canada. But if you guys want to use the original recipe, I know the original recipe is more sweet. They're using Kahlua, which is, in my opinion, a little bit sweeter. So I like this one. Has a little bit stronger coffee taste, which is what I like in my Toblerone. So now all our ingredients is done. We're gonna add ice. And then we're gonna shake it for about 10 to 12 seconds hard. Now in this case, I'm gonna use the hurricane glass. You can use any glass you want, it's totally up to you. And then for my garnishing, I have chocolate syrup over here. I'm just gonna dip it in this mixer. And you can choose to couple layer of that. Now we're gonna pour everything inside the glass. And you can garnish obviously with a shaved Toblerone. And there you go guys, the Toblerone is ready to serve. Now on to the second drink. Here I'm gonna make Grasshopper. So the original recipe, you will need the white crème de cacao and then the green crème de menthe. But since I don't have it, I'm gonna use what I have, which is the brown crème de cacao and then the white crème de menthe. There is a little twist that I add because the original recipe, you will need 2 ounces of cream and equal part of crème de cacao and crème de menthe. But in this holiday festive, I'm gonna add green chartreuse, which is kind of herbal or herby liquor, which is it's really nice. So you will have chocolate, minty, and herby cocktail, which is really great for the holiday seasons. Now let's get into it. Okay, now so for the ingredients, like I told you, you will need 1 ounce of crème de cacao. If you really wanna follow the recipe, you need the white one, not the brown one, but since this is what I have, that's what I'm going to use. Crème de menthe. The original recipe asked for the green one. Since I don't have it, I'm going to use the white one. 2 ounces of cream. And for the twist, I'm gonna add 1/4 ounce of green chartreuse. Now we're gonna add some ice into our tin. and then seal, and we're gonna shake it. Shake it for about 10 to 12 seconds. So I'm gonna double strain this. For the garnish, shaved chocolate and mint. And there you go. The Grasshopper, the holiday versions, is ready to serve. So now we're into the last drink, and the last drink that I'm gonna make, it's called a Brandy Alexander. The original recipe, we're gonna use brandy. Since I don't have any brandy left, the closest one that I use is gonna be cognac. This is a very simple recipe. 3 ingredients. You will need heavy cream or cream, brandy or cognac, and then crème de cacao. Now let's get to it. So this is a very simple recipe. The ratio is 2 by 1 by 1. And so I'm gonna start with 3/4 ounce of the cream. And then follow up with 3/4 ounce of crème de cacao. And then the 2 parts is your base spirit. In this case, I'm going to use cognac. So this is going to be 1.5 ounces of cognac. All right, so now we're going to add some ice. And we're going to shake it. Make sure it's completely sealed. Double strain. And for garnish, I'm gonna garnish it with grated nutmeg. And Brandy Alexander is ready to serve. So there you go, guys. This is our 3 beautiful cocktail for your holiday seasons. Mostly if you celebrate Christmas, this is going to be perfect chocolate theme for Christmas. So you have Toblerone cocktail, you have Brandy Alexander, and you have the Grasshopper. So that's it for our today's video. If you enjoy these 3 beautiful cocktails, give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want me to continue making cocktail videos, please let me know in the comment sections, and I will try to make as much as cocktail videos for you guys. So that's it for our today's video. I'll see you next time, and happy holiday.